My name is Kurosh Sarasopani. I'm the Trainsville Small Business Commissioner, and I've been with the Commission since 2008. In 2008, Supervisor John Faust from Trainsville had reached out to me and asked if I was willing, ready, and able to serve in Fairfax County in the capacity of a small business commission, and I agreed to. And mainly because everyone crossed the line from all walks of life agreed that small businesses are the cornerstone of our economy, of our society and country. So it's a very good and noble cause to assist small businesses. I currently serve on Legislative and Policy, Ombudsman, and Vendor Forum Committee. So number one is the Small Business Investment Opportunity Act that just recently passed. Through the Legislative and Policy Committee, we are able to evaluate, analyze, and report all relevant legislation, congressional or state, on a monthly basis to small businesses to allow them to determine what and how a certain piece of legislation or law, either enacted or pending, would impact their business or their operation. So for instance, it could be a locality or an ordinance that would exempt and excuse certain businesses from paying licensing fees for a period of a year, perhaps 2 years. And then reporting that would allow small businesses understand and realize that from a certain piece of new legislation, they will benefit financially or economically because they would be able to waive or postpone certain licensing fees that they would have to pay otherwise. The Ombudsman Committee was created to allow small businesses to bring forth whatever grievances or complaints or issues that they may have with various county or state agencies to our attention so we can facilitate, coordinate, and communicate their issues and their matters to the county agencies directly.
Fairfax County also offers business opportunities like today's Vendor Forum to connect with you to Fairfax County agencies so that you know how to do business with us and also with our large contractors.
The Vendor Forum is an annual event that Small Business Commission has co-sponsors and helped put together. This is an invaluable resource for small businesses. It educates and informs them about various opportunities. The Vendor Forum allows the small businesses to better network with county agencies. It allows them to understand better opportunities for procurement and contract, doing business with Fairfax County. Usually we hold it in October of each year. I'm trying to signify the role of small businesses in Fairfax County and Virginia. Fairfax County Small Business Commission is important and valuable to small businesses because it provides a doorway of opportunity, a chance for small businesses to better network, to connect with various county or state agencies, to procure and obtain contract and do transactions, and allows them to grow, better operate within the state and the county.